Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Cash App to friends. So if you do share your Cash App to friends, when you both sign up or when your friend signs up, you'll actually both get $5. So if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can even use my link down below in order to get $5 straight to your Cash App account once you sign up. Now, in order to share your Cash App to friends, what you're going to do is actually click on the upper right hand corner, and then where it says invite friends, get $5, you're going to click on that. And so here you could actually send the Cash App invite directly to your contacts, or what you can do is that you could actually click on the upper right hand corner and you can message it, you can email it, you can copy the link. So there's multiple different things here as far as how to actually share your Cash App to friends. Another way to actually share Cash App to friends is by clicking on the $sign, and then in the upper left hand corner, click on the QR code. And here you could actually share your QR code. So if someone just scans this here, they'll be logged on to Cash App so that they can actually pay you. So I hope you found this video helpful. That's how to share your Cash App to friends. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below and we'll both get $5 once you sign up.